We're at my grandma's house right now. Oh, I like this one. Hi, good morning. So today we're gonna go check out Barry's shop. He's the one that let us drive his S15 when we were in Japan. So we want to go check out his shop here in Hawaii and see the builds that he's working on now. But we do have a lot of time to kill, so we're gonna go get food first.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it is huge. So we got the kamikaze poke nachos. First bite?
I'm trying to finish first. Ready?
Okay.
It's good.
Like for real?
Yeah, it's really good.
Really?
So crunchy. Unagi sauce.
Oh, and unagi sauce? Okay, no, this is gonna be super good.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Okay guys, it's blazing hot. We're right down the road from Christine's favorite dessert. This is where we used to put gas with coins because we never had money before. I used to drop Christine off at home. This would be the gas station that I would go and we gather our loose change and be like, oh, can I get $1.50 on pump number 1? Thank you, Jesus, we came far away from Dania.
Yeah.
They never always use that one, though, did they?
This is my favorite shave ice. Now I get number 5 and then I put pudding on top. Hello. Hi, can I get a number 5 with custard, please?
5 with 1 custard.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's it. I'm so excited. Thank you. Ooh. I went to Aya High School, which is like a 5-minute walk away from here for a little bit, and I used to come on my lunch break and get this. It's so good. The mochi balls are really good here. It's super soft. Ice Garden is always 10 out of 10.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You wanna try?
Oh, why you wasn't gonna share?
No, I just...
Can I please just have a bite then, at least?
You have to eat it with the custard.
Actually, it's good. I like it.
It is really good.
You guys just in the process too, right? I just see them. I know that. Are you?
Hello.
Hello. Nice seeing you guys.
Nice seeing you. Whoa. This is a real GTI? Oh, sick.
Baller wheels.
Baller wheels?
LMGT.
LMGT?
4s, I think?
LMGT 4?
Yeah.
Well, these ones are really clean. Wow. And Supra? 1J?
Pretty sure that's a 1J.
Whoa. This is super clean.
Barry's the master of SRs.
Of SRs?
Yeah, look at all these SRs.
Oh, wow. I didn't even notice. Yeah, there's so many.
It's crazy because like now, like this car is worth so much money. Even just the parts, so like the gam doors, right? This is probably like $1,500 mirror just cruising.
Yeah.
That's funny that you come in.
Nope.
We stay eating dinner right now with the crew.
The what? The fat.
The
fat.
Say shaka to the brothers. Shakas to the brothers. You guys like shakas to the brothers? Wow, that's your cameo. Wow, unreal. Unreal. Are you gonna stir it? Okay, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Okay. That's mean actually.
Right now we're gonna go get Mija at Don Yang's. I'm walking in the back entrance right now. Got the goods.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the beach after this, but Kaylee also wanted to get poke, so we're at Foodland right now. So I got a 1/4 pound of the spicy secret and then a 1/4 pound of spicy ahi.
Oh, Blitz.
Oh,
Techno.
Blitz?
Yeah, what are they? Blitz? Techno speed something. Oh.
It's kind of cool to be back when I'm older, because like this Foodland that we just went to was the Foodland that I went to when I was super small. We used to live in Wahiwa, so it brings back good memories. This one is a spicy secret. It's actually kind of spicy. It tastes like jalapeno. Do you wanna try? Yeah. Do you like it? Is it jalapeno? That's what that taste is?
It's a chili. I don't know if it's a jalapeno. Very good though. Okay, shut up.
That's just the body.
Oh my gosh, I freaking locked the keys for the rental car inside the car. I freaking left the key inside the car, so someone's gonna come open it. This is a trip. I never even told Blaine that. Oh, for real?
3 years, yeah. Since I've been using clean stick.
Freaking the keys right here. Damn it. I hate that for me. I'm not gonna tell Blaine. I wanna see yours. Amen. Good? So we got a bar card, which is a macadamia nut waffle, and then it has custard on top, and then there's whipped cream and then fruit. It's so good. Yeah,
Ginger and spicy.
Okay, so we're off the hook right now. We got a poke bowl, so we got it with sushi rice.
So it's ginger poke and spicy ahi. So this is, if you're from Hawaii, we got something called cold ginger chicken, and this is pretty much the toppings that they put on the cold ginger chicken, but on poke. So it's the first time we're gonna try it. It sounds mean, so I'm pretty excited for it.
Okay, this one is the spicy ahi. Oh my gosh,
You good?
it's so good. It tastes super
Oh, yeah.
fresh.
I like that. And we got it with sushi rice as well. Okay. This is what I'm excited about right here. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Is it really gingery?
Yeah. It tastes just like the stuff you put in the ginger.
It does taste just like cold ginger chicken. It works really good though.
It's a very distinct flavor. If you like cold ginger chicken, you know what flavor I'm talking about.
Yeah, it's just really, it tastes like ginger, green onions,
Salt.
and sesame oil.
Yeah, it's like very simple, but
That's really good.
alright guys, we're gonna go finish this up and I'll catch you guys at the next spot. Cheers guys.
We're at my grandma's house right now. We're checking out my uncle. He makes surfboards. Honestly?
Yeah, this is the one.
Oh, I like this one.
Oh yeah, I just have the purple one.
Yeah, this is a new shape. And this is my newest board that I'm making for surfing.
Oh, wow. I want to see. Oh, I like this one too. Where do you get all the
It's
the
Japanese
prints?
washi paper.
I want to see.
Oh, here.
Oh, this one's nice too.
It's not finished though.
In the center house, to the left.
Where do you get, do you write that or is that a
I
sticker?
cut it out. So I have a template and I cut it out.
Oh, I like this one.
This is my first one I made.
That's the first one you
The
made?
very first one I made.
Oh, look.
I was talking about the yellow one.
This is a little K-van. A little K-truck.
That's cute.
Yeah.
On my surfboard.
Oh, there's choke little model cars up there. Oh, there's a 34. Oh, there's another little K-van. Look, it's slam. This one is cute. Oh, 32. Oh, these are the things, these March. The ones that Mighty Car Mods did. It's so cool to see all these little knickknacks.
Little knickknacks.
Knickknacks?
It's like memorabilia.
Oh, memorabilias. It's even on the roof.